In Econ 101, Mr. Chair, markets, when there are very few players in the markets, and you ask these players, government may be asking them to cooperate, to coordinate, we're actually asking a cartel.
This is a matter that's long been debated on. The intention is good on the part of the Department of Energy. They want people to declare, given a specific formula, proprietary. They don't really go into it. But, you know, to prevent any volatility in the market. But the purpose is good, but I think the effect is, we are in effect promoting a cartelization, and it is government itself. Gobyerno mismo ang nagbibigay ng presyo at nag-create ng environment para magkulud itong mga oil companies. Kaya hindi nagkakahiwa-hiwalay ang presyo. Kasi kahit kaya ko magbenta ng 1 peso less than my competitor, pero nag-announce siya na magbebenta siya at 1 peso higher, didikit din ako doon. Di ba? Kasi nakikita nila lahat eh. So, that in my mind needs to be re-examined.
Mr. Chair, I'm not saying that there is a there's a cartel, but I think that our regulatory agencies, and in particular PCC and ERC, should work together to investigate.